Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. AFAQ New Iqbal Series, Student Resource Pack, English, Grade 4. Academic Planner, Unit 2, Number of SLOs, 19. Build your skills. Worksheet number 12, Preposition of Position. Write a sentence using each given preposition of position. She is sitting in the car. He is hiding behind a wall. The book is on the table. The cat is under the bed. He is standing in front of his teacher. Worksheet number 13. Synonyms. Circle the synonyms in each row. Eat, munch, draw, sketch, big, huge, bravery, courage, huge, big. Worksheet number 14. Antonyms. Write an antonym of each word with the help of word bank. Forget, remember, leave, stay, unknown, famous, destroy, create, in, out, find, lose, help, hinder, exciting, boring, correct, wrong, buy, sell. Worksheet number 15. Words meanings. Write meanings of the words. Courtesy, showing respect, adab. Attentively, carefully, tawajjuh se. Dwelling, living in, rehna. March, step forward, aage badhna. Mellow, maturity, pukhtagi. Twilight, a period of time between daylight and darkness. Dhundlika. Worksheet number 16. Comprehension. Read the passage and answer the following questions. A mouse tail. This is a story about a mouse called Manny. His mother had advised him not to go out of the tunnel because of the dangers. But once he ignored his mother's advice and went out of the tunnel. While he was eating a piece of cheese, a hawk picked him up. But the brave Manny bit his talon and managed to survive. He fell down on the ground and was alive to tell his story to others. Answer 2. Manny saw a piece of cheese under the bench. Answer 3. Manny saw from the corner of his eye a hawk. Manny escaped by biting hawk's talon. Answer 5. Manny didn't move right away because he knew that the hawk was up in the sky looking for him. Sheet number 17. Read the passage and answer the following questions. Amazing singing plants. Answer to the question number 1. This is a story of a boy named Kashif and his father. One fine morning, Kashif was awake and he heard the plants singing. He told this to his father, but his father didn't believe him. Then his father watered the plants and they started singing again. So the boy and his father were very happy to have such amazing plants in their home. For many years, the plants sang for Kashif and his father. Answer to the question number 2. The sound of light, eerie singing woke Kashif up early in the morning. Answer to the third question. Shocked meaning wonderstruck. Answer to the question number 4. 3 plants were thinking. Answer to the question number 5. They took care of the singing plants by watering them every day. Worksheet number 18. Read the given passage and answer the following questions. Not another orange. This is a story about a boy named Bilal. He doesn't like to eat oranges his parents grow on their farm. On inquiring, his mother told him about the transportation of food from one place to another. She tells him about the transportation, how food and other items are moved from one place to another place in a world. Answer to the second question. Bilal eats oranges all the time because his parents grow them on their farm. Answer to the question number 3. Avocado is one of the ingredients of Bilal's favorite sauce. Answer to the question number 4. Food and other items moved around the world so that the people around the world could enjoy them where they cannot be grown. Answer to the question number 5. No, Bilal won't be able to grow avocados because avocados don't grow in our country. Worksheet number 19. Creative writing. Write a rhyme poem of your own. Worksheet number 20. Write a narrative paragraph on the topic, The Best Day of My Life. The best day of my life was when my father bought me a nice bicycle. It was not very expensive, but it was functional and very beautiful. After my school, I used to ride it all the day long until night, and I was very happy to have this bicycle because this bicycle enabled me to go the places I wanted to go. Worksheet number 21. Fill in the following information to write about the Qaid-e-Azam. Date of birth 25 December 1876. Place of birth Karachi. Family Jinnah. Studied in Sindh Madrasatul Islam. Hobbies: horse riding, cricket. Career: lawyer, politician. Reason for fame: working for independence. Date of death: September 11, 1948. Worksheet number 22. Now write about him using the information about